Okay, hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can install plugin in your WordPress website. So first, you need to log in to your WordPress dashboard and go to plugins, add new plugin. And on the next page, you can either upload a paid plugin that you just purchased, or you can search the plugin directory. So for me, I want to search for a contact form. It's called Fluent Contact Form. So after I type in the keyword, it will search and then show me what are the relevant results. So this is the contact form that I want to install. So I click install. So after the plugin has been installed, then it will ask you to activate the plugin. Okay, so now activate, just click on this button so that this plugin will be activated in your website. Okay, so now you can go to the setting and do the other settings. Okay, so if you want to learn and find out what are the top recommended plugins for a WordPress website, comment recommend. Then I'll share with you what are the top recommended free plugins that I use in most of my clients' website. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.